Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Ant Moat made by Wild Bird. This item is sold at Lowe's. I don't know if you can buy it anywhere else. I looked on Amazon, looked at a couple different places, and I didn't see it, but they had it at Lowe's for $3.98. If you're somebody like me who enjoys hummingbirds, you run into issues where ants will come down your hummingbird feeder, and this thing is designed so that you put water on the inside of it, ants come down through the middle, and then the only way they can get to your hummingbird feeder is by going through the moat that's filled with water or oil, whatever you put in there. But anyway, $3.98. I thought I'd take a look at it and do a review in case anybody else is interested in this item. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. All right, I was just going to show the way this thing's set up. So you've got a hook going through the bottom, and then you've got a copper metal threaded tube in the middle there, and they give you another hook that hooks down into that. It's threaded, so you just screw that in, you'll end up with a hook coming from the top and a hook coming from the bottom.